Chase Sapphire Reserve versus Preferred. Let's review some of the differences between the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve cards. Sapphire Preferred, key features. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card offers several benefits to card members for an annual fee, including annual travel credit, $50 annual Chase Travel Hotel credit each account anniversary year. Authorized user fee, none. Foreign transaction fees, none. Points transfer, 1 point transfer for Chase's hotel and airline partners. Travel protection benefits, auto rental coverage, trip delay reimbursement, lost luggage reimbursement, trip cancellation and interruption insurance. Sapphire Preferred, rewards and bonuses. With a sign-up offer, you may find many ways to save up extra points and enjoy travel perks. These are some reasons why Sapphire Preferred can be a great credit card for travel and everyday spending. 3x points on dining and 2x points on travel. With Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can earn 3x points on dining purchases and 2x points on travel purchases. Get 25% more value when you redeem points for travel. When you redeem your points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal, your rewards increase in value to 1.25 cents per point. Earn 5x total points on travel purchase through Chase Travel SM, excluding hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 annual Chase Travel Hotel credit. Earn 3x points on dining, including eligible delivery services, takeout and dining out. Earn 2x on other travel purchases. Sapphire Reserve, key features. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is a premium travel credit card, and card members can enjoy its benefits, perks and rewards program for the card's annual fee. Airport Lounge Access. Priority Pass is an ever-growing airport experiences program that provides members with access to premium experiences from airport lounges to spas to sleeping pods. Complimentary access to 13+ airport lounges worldwide with up to 2 guests. Foreign transaction fees, none. Travel protection benefits, auto rental collision damage waiver, trip delay reimbursement, lost luggage reimbursement, trip cancellation and interruption insurance. TSA pre-checked global entry Nexus credit. When you use your Chase Sapphire Reserve card to pay for a TSA pre-check, Nexus or global entry application, you can receive a reimbursement of up to $120. This credit can be used once every 4 years. Sapphire Reserve, rewards and bonuses. Chase Sapphire Reserve has a higher annual fee than the Chase Sapphire Preferred card but boasts premium travel perks, which Chase Sapphire Reserve has a higher annual fee than the Chase Sapphire Preferred card but boasts premium travel perks, which may make it an ideal card for frequent travelers. 3x points on travel and dining. With Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can earn 3x points on dining at restaurants, including eligible delivery services, takeout and dining out. Plus earn 3x points on other travel worldwide after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. 10x points on hotels, excluding the edit, and car rentals, and 5x total points on flights. You can earn points at these rates when you purchase travel through Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. Get 50% more value when you redeem points for travel. When redeeming your points through the Chase Travel, you can get 50% more value in points. Chase Sapphire Reserve versus Preferred perks that come with both cards. We've talked a lot about the differences between these cards, but let's review some perks that come with both. Sign-up bonus. Both cards usually offer sign-up bonuses. Check our pages for the latest sign-up bonuses that the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Chase Sapphire Reserve cards offer. Sign-up bonuses require you to meet a spending requirement usually within the first few months. Transferable points to travel partners. Both cards allow you to transfer your points to any of Chase's travel partners at a 1:1 rate. This can help you book hotel stays and airfare for less money. Chase's transfer partners include Airline Travel Partners, Aer Lingus, Air Club, Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways Executive Club, Emirates Skywards, Flying Blue Air France KLM Iberia Plus, JetBlue TrueBlue, Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, On one hand, the Sapphire Reserve card can be perfect for frequent travelers who would take advantage of the travel-related perks offered to offset the annual fee. On the other hand, for those who don't travel as much or don't want to pay such annual fee, the Sapphire Preferred card offers great perks combined with a lower annual fee. Both cards usually offer sign-up bonuses and a robust rewards program in Chase Ultimate Rewards. Does Sapphire Preferred suit you? Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a sign-up bonus and accelerated points earning for travel, dining out and more. With a lower annual fee and Chase's Ultimate Rewards program, this credit card can be a great option for frequent and not so frequent travelers. Does Sapphire Reserve suit you? The Chase Sapphire Reserve card may be